Hello, welcome to my channel. For today, I'm doing this nail set. I used only pigment powder and I will show you how I did it. This is the nails that I have to remove. You usually know that in my videos I'm doing two videos, like one for preparation and one for design, but in this video we'll do two in one. I'll try to keep it short and just do basics. These nails, I have them for 3 weeks or 4 weeks, I think. There is no lifting, everything is fine. If you like to subscribe to my channel, please hit the notification bell as well so you will know when I'm posting new videos, and all the products that I'm using are linked in the description below. Now I'm going to use this ceramic bit. Is medium grit at 20,000 RPM speed to remove gel color. I use, on the back you can see is the dust machine. Is good. It's better to have it when removing color, because a lot of dust is coming out and those particles are not good to flow everywhere. As well, I wear a face mask. I'm reshaping the nail, I'm making it shorter, I'm not reshaping anything. And I noticed that, or it's not a big thing, but on my left hand, which is not the dominant one, is easier to do manicure, it's easier to remove gel. I believe more people are having same issue. I remove any kind of small lifting that can be there underneath, and make sure that nails will be ready for refill. I'm trying to check the size to see if everything is at least similar. We do not aim for perfection. Using the nail file to finish the shape, and now I'm using the sanding bit 150 grit for smoothing the nail and make it thinner underneath. This is exactly like a nail file, but I prefer the sanding bit, is faster for me. You can use the nail file. Whatever method is working for you, that is the best. You just have to keep trying to find your own method. Someone commented on my videos to do close-up when I'm prepping the nails. I hope this is close enough and you can see better the imperfections or everything that I'm doing. Now I'm using the buffer to make sure that everything is more smooth. These buffers, I have them from Shein, are very well. I like this small type of buffer. I use one buffer for more manicures if I'm doing on myself. For another person, the buffer has to change every time. It's not washable. I use the diamond bead for cuticles from Stalex Pro, and here I use it in reverse motion to make sure that the cuticle is lifted from the nail plate. This is an important step. If there is any dry skin around the nail plate, it will cause lifting. This video is more about preparation. The design itself is not taking too much time, but the prepping part is very important. The base all the time is very important. To whatever design you want to do, whatever refill you want to do, is very important preparation. Keep removing the dead skin with that brush, so you will see where you have to go more with the drill bit. Now I will use the cuticle scissor from Stalex Pro to trim cuticles, in hopes that I'm not going too deep and I will not cut myself again. But the cuticle scissors are very good. And if you are having any cuts, it's just because you are not paying attention, like me. Normally you should not cut yourself. Because I lift the cuticle with the drill bit, it's easier to cut it now. Like this you should cut. As you can see here, this was a perfect cut. Here usually is pumping the blood, it's coming out, because you can see I don't have too much cuticle, but let's see now. It didn't. This time it was a success. Let's see, we can do it also on this nail. And I'm going a little bit on the sides with the cuticle nipper. This is as well from Stalex. I'm just trimming what I see that is a little bit lifting there. I will use this diamond ball from Stalex as well, just to smooth around cuticle. And this is all with preparation. Now I will do the refill. I'm using the Bond Control is acid-free primer. And after that I will use the base gel for 30 seconds under LED lamp. Be careful, there is a difference between LED and UV lamp. If you are having UV lamp, I don't know who's having any more UV lamp. UV lamp I think is a very old model. I don't see even selling UV lamps. I see only LED lamps, but if you are having a UV lamp, you have to cure it 4 times the time of the normal curing. This means 2 minutes or 1 minute, 2 times for base gel. I use the rubber base. The rubber base that I'm using is from M-Share. You can find it in the link description below in AliExpress. I use I use it on all my nails, but I show you only on one nail to not make long the video. Now I'm using milky gel polish on all my nails. I use 2 coats and cure each coat for 30 seconds under LED lamp. These are two coats, and now I will use the matte coat as well from M-Share. This is looking glossy, and with matte coat, of course, it will look matte, right? I use with 60 seconds under LED lamp. Whenever you are using matte coat, just make sure that you are covering the entire nail, otherwise it will not be fully matte. If you want to have only matte finish, you can use 2 coats if you want. But now I'm using base gel on only the parts where I want to put pigment color. And I will cure it for 30 seconds under LED lamp. Now here I'm doing something that I don't know what I'm doing, which I gave up. I will use drops. I'm trying to do a design, but I don't think that it will go well. I'm keep trying it. I'm using this dot pen is a tool from a set of tools of dot pens, different sizes. You can find them anywhere. I have them also in AliExpress or in Amazon storefront. So I decided that I will use the brush. I will do this design. We'll see when I use pigment. We will see what design I did in. Yeah. These are the pigments that I'm using. I bought them from Amazon. You can find them in storefront. Different colors. These are green palette, blue palette, and neon palette. I just choose one of the colors. I make a combination of 4 colors: green, blue, yellow, and pink. This pink and yellow are neon, and the other ones are like pearlish. Use this brush. This is a makeup brush, is an eyeshadow brush, and I just place this pigment wherever I want, and I mix them together on one nail. I will do this on all nails. It's not exactly method. I mean, this is the method, but the design itself, you just do as you want. You can combine all of them. You can put only one. You can place them near to each other. You can just place them on different angles. It's just a matter of how you want to be. The pigment is good, by the way. Let's talk a little bit about this pigment. Is pigmented enough, is easy to apply. You don't need to use too much. Is enough. This, I think there are 2 or 5 grams in each bottle and in each jar, and is enough. I like the consistency. It's my first time trying pigments, but I just took them for sake of a video to see how is going, and it's good. When I'm happy with the result, I will just cure it and remove the any excess of pigment. Now I'm using this painting gel white from Born Pretty. I'll just place... okay, I didn't cure anything. I'll just place these lines. This is a brush that I bought from Shein. It's good, by the way, if you know how to draw straight lines, not like me. But I'll keep trying. I just draw lines wherever I think that is needed. The painting gel is not too thick, not too thin. Is a very good consistency. Is easy to work with. You can find it in the link description below. I have it on white and I have it on black as well. Both of them are very nice. At least I'm trying to do a straight line. I cured it for 30 seconds and now I use the top coat only on the parts where I want to keep the pigment. So after that I will remove this pigment, because if I would have removed it before, would have removed all the pigment, right? So I have to cure it to put something on it. I put top coat. And after I remove with isopropyl alcohol, this is the final look. I think it's looking quite nice. The combination of colors is vibrant, is nice, is different than the other hand, of course, but it's fine. I really like it. So if you like it, give a thumbs up. Comment down below what you want to see next and what you want to see more in my channel, okay? All the items are in the description below. Go and check them out. Grab whatever item you want. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.